Yo, this is another Candy Peaches production. Yo, Candy, where you at? Candy Peaches coming through. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Candy Peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Subscribe to the channel, bruh. Candy Peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe to the channel, bruh. So you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Candy Peaches. And today, you guys, I am going to doing a lace front. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below for your girl. Please, I have made it to 100 subscribers, you guys. Yes, oh my God. I am so happy and honored I have made it to 100 subscribers. So I am spraying leave-in conditioner onto my client's hair. We are doing this to moisturize it so we can detangle the hair. I forgot to put her cape on. My fault. Big mistake of my own. But you guys, make sure you put a cape on to protect your client from anything of hair on their clothes, because they might be going to an event after you're done. So I'm continuing to spray leave-in conditioner on my client's hair. Now, after I spray the leave-in conditioner, you guys, we are going to use a Y2 comb because we need to detangle her hair. We need to make sure it's detangled and manageable for us to cornrow her hair down, because we need to cornrow it down so when we're applying the lace front wig, it lays flat. Also, guys, that I sprayed there, that was coconut oil that I sprayed on her hair. And now I'm using a small tube comb because I need to part it into sections so I can cornrow her hair down. My client says she doesn't care if they're big sections, small sections. She just wanted cornrow down. So I did what the client asked of me. So we're going to, I put a little grease here. Okay. So we're going to comb it out and then we're going to cornrow it down. And we're going to still detangling the client's hair so we can get ready to braid it down. Braid it down. Oh my God, I cannot talk. But yes, we're going to braid down the client's hair. And we're going to do that all the way around. Cornrow it down. We want to make it flat so that when we do apply the wig, there is no problem. There's no bumps. There's no, raising. So it looks flat. So it look like it's there. So she can be like, you know what I'm saying? This me. You know what I'm saying? This me right here. Okay? Period. So that's what we do. We make them feel like they the queen. They running stuff like booyah when they walk in the room. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean. But as you continue, honey bun, as you continue, you just cornrow all around the head. I am not making perfect sections, so don't come for me. Don't come for my braids. Don't come for none of that. Okay? I wasn't really trying on here. I was just doing this for my friend, and we was getting it done. Getting it in and getting it done. Okay? So, don't come for me. I'm trying to come up with content. I'm trying to do my best. So, just support me like y'all all support me. Thank you. Love you. And we're going to keep going, okay? We're just going to keep going. Braid. So, we're just going to let this braid right here, okay? Let it go. Alright? Just understand me. So, she was talking about having a camera in her face because she's like, everybody looking at me and seeing me. Da-da-da. Girl, I was like, look, we just doing your hair. We ain't worried about the face, which I understand, but she pretty. She just, I don't know. We just doing our thing. I forgot the name of it. I'm just probably going to put it down in the link below of the other bottle I use, but it's made for itching scalps. I'll just put it down. I got it from Sally's. And I use it on the hair. So we're just going to keep braiding the hair down here. So just continue watch while I'm doing this. Okay, you guys, here I use a crochet needle to insert the hair into her hair. So I didn't use any thread to hold down her hair, so I just use it to insert the hair in. So when I do apply the stocking cap and the wig that is already supported, I am applying this protection that goes on the hair on front of it. It's for molding. I mean, you can use got-to-be glue, whatever you want to use, but I prefer to use this. My client likes it, so I'm using this for her, okay? Hey you guys, so this is the Argan Old Weave Wonder Wrap that I'm using on my client's hair. So I'm applying and I make sure that it dries on, because you want to make sure it dries on your client's hair. So I am applying it on her, plus I'm using Got2b glue, the spray in the yellow can. I don't even think I put that on there. I should have put that on there, but I'm using that on my client's hair. So now we're going to begin applying the wig onto my client's head. Now you want to make sure that you place it exactly where your client wants it to be, not where you want to be, because it's not about you, it's about your client. You want to make sure that they're happy where they want it centered on their head, exactly where they want it to be. So you want to make sure you put it exactly where they want it to be, so it look good for them, because it's about them, not you. Once again, period. So we're going to begin by putting the stocking cap on the client. Now once again, this is my first time doing this, using a stocking cap, so please don't judge me or come for me. I'm trying. Now, if y'all have some techniques that I need to do better in the comment section, please comment down below. Help your girl out. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. So I am cutting holes where the ear is, because that's what they said you're supposed to do, so that when you are trying to do the lace, you have it, the cap, it'd be exactly where it needs to be at. That's where I seen on some YouTube channels. So I'm trying to learn from you guys. So y'all got to show me y'all techniques on what y'all doing. So I'm using a blow dryer here to make sure that the Got2b glue spray dries on her head. And make sure it sticks good. I'm going to repeat that more than once. Because that's what I seen. I could be wrong. Y'all let me know. I'm not good with this. This is something brand new for me. So I'm applying some makeup on the wig cap where she, or stocking cap, where she's going to have her lace and where her part's going to be. You see her, get it girl, get it girl. Anyways. So the color I'm using, I know it's kind of bright, but that's all I had. I really wasn't prepared. I was trying to find my box, but I could not find my makeup box to save my life or anything to get this correct. So I'm going to continue to apply here onto my client's hair. So I am whispering who knows what. And she was like, no honey, So I'm spraying more Got2b on her hair, because I wanted to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. I'm blow drying it so it can freeze in place. So I'm going to continue to blow dry my client's hair. And after we continue to blow dry it, we're going to go to the next session here, where I'm going to cut the lace off of the front, not the lace, the stocking cap, the excess stocking cap. Off my client's hair. So right here, you guys, I'm going to spray more got to be glue on there because some of part of it was lifting. And then I do have the lace glue that she did buy from the store. I never heard of this, but it's something new for both of us. So this is what it is. I don't know what it is, but we're going to try it out. I did do dabs of it around her head. I did apply, I think, 2 or 3 times on her head. And then I did smear it because she know I never did this before, but I'm learning, trying to do my best to do it. So just bear with me as I apply this. Okay, you guys, so right here I am applying some makeup over the lace. I've seen people do it. I'm trying my best. I think this color is a little bit too dark. It is because we are 2 different colors. Skin tones, but I think at the end it all works out for us good, and you can't really tell. I mean, if I'm wrong, let me know, but let me know what I need to do to perfect this, because I'm not an expert. This is my first time ever doing a lace front, so y'all just work with me, bear with me as your girl tries to attempt this. Like, I am trying so much. After we finish applying the lace glue, we're going to put the wig on the client's head because it should be tacky. She was just letting me know here that the wig was so tight she couldn't feel her scalp, and that was the first time she ever felt like that, so that was kind of funny. So next time I'm going to bleach the lace. I don't know if I can do this on this one or not, but this was just a little cheap one that we bought, so I don't know if I can bleach this at all. So I don't know. I mean, I'm not for sure, but I am here trying to make sure it is secure on her head, so that I put some more got to be glue on there, because I'm trying to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I want to make sure my client's head is secure, like down, so when she whip it, turn it, you know what I'm saying? I'll whip my hair back and forth. She won't have no problem, you know what I'm saying? You know, hey, honey bun. And then the glue's supposed to be waterproof, so when, you know what I'm saying, she couldn't feel her scalp, see? But when she get in the water, she be good to go, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to plug it, trying to make it look a little more natural, because I know it ain't plucked or did anything like that, but I'm trying. I'm trying to, what I seen on YouTube, okay? Alright, everybody, this is where I'm going to be cutting the lace off her head, because this is where I should have divided it, you know, in 3 sections before I cut it. But once again, this is new for me, so I am trying my best to get this accomplished correctly. So I don't know if I'm doing it correct. Maybe I'm... So I have cut the lace off. I'm working on the other side. So, you know, just work with your girl, because I'm trying. I'm trying to do my best. And I'm cutting the other side of the lace off to get her correct, because I want her to look good, you guys. So just bear with me while I take that off and just continue around the head. And then we're going to work with the next step. I had to apply some glue later on in the video because it was lifting a little bit. But this is, once again, trial and error, you guys. Trial and error. First time. Okay, you guys, so I'm putting a little more got to be glue, and then I'm going to be applying this wave stuff to keep the curls looking good. I make sure that it's tight on there, and then we're going to be done, ladies and gentlemen. So here we go. This is the finished product. I hope you guys like it. This is my first time trying to do this lace wig. Please, you guys, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love you guys. Let's get some more subscribers. And come on, when you see the video, thumbs it up, you guys. Share and subscribe. Bye, my peach candies. Candy peaches coming through. Yeah. Go and like, subscribe the channel, bruh. Go and like, subscribe the channel, bruh.